Is hammer power better than nail gun speed? Welcome back, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Today, we're diving headfirst into a tool showdown that's sure to spark some spirited debate. Is the tried and true power of a hammer better than the lightning-fast speed of a nail gun? Before we roll up our sleeves and get to work, let's start with a shocking statistic. Did you know that a nail gun can fire a nail 3 times faster than the blink of an eye? That's speed that could leave even the most skilled hammer user in the dust. But speed isn't everything, right? Let's break down the nitty-gritty of these indispensable tools. In the world of construction and woodworking, hammers and nail guns are like old rivals, each with its legion of loyal fans. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, understanding the strengths and weaknesses of these tools is crucial. As DIY enthusiasts, we know the tools we choose can make or break our projects. This showdown isn't just about tools, it's about empowering you to make informed decisions every time you pick up one of these bad boys. Building or crafting requires not just skill, but also the right tools. One of the biggest challenges facing both pros and dyers alike is choosing the tool that offers the best efficiency and effectiveness for a given task. The question of which tool, hammer or nail gun, is superior isn't just academic. It's a real-world dilemma with practical implications. This topic is particularly juicy because it taps into the broader debate of precision versus speed, tradition against innovation. Let's dissect what makes these tools tick. Starting with the humble hammer, its simplicity is its greatest asset. It's reliable, requires no power source, and when wielded by a skilled hand, it offers unparalleled precision. On the downside, using a hammer can be physically demanding and time-consuming, especially on larger projects. Now, onto the nail gun. Think of it as the hot rod of construction tools. It's incredibly fast, reducing labor time significantly. With a nail gun, you can tackle large projects in a fraction of the time it would take with a hammer. However, this speed comes at a cost, literally. Nail guns are a higher initial investment and require upkeep, including electricity or compressed air, not to mention the learning curve involved in using one safely and effectively. To settle this debate, or perhaps fuel it further, we conducted a practical demonstration to see these tools in action. On one side, we have our seasoned hammer enthusiast, Tom, taking on the challenge with grit and determination. On the other, Lisa, a DIY maestro with a trusty nail gun in hand. We set them the task of building a simple wood frame. As the clock ticks down, Tom methodically places each nail with precision, his hands in tune with the rhythm of the hammer. Meanwhile, Lisa moves swiftly, expertly maneuvering the nail gun to finish rows of nails in what seems like record speed. The results? Surprisingly balanced. Tom's work was meticulously consistent, ideal for detailed projects. Lisa's speed meant she could start another project quicker, perfect for large-scale builds or repetitive tasks. After this little experiment, what's the verdict? It truly depends on the project at hand. For precision work and smaller tasks, the hammer remains king, delivering detail and craftsmanship at its finest. For speed and efficiency on larger projects, you can't beat a nail gun for getting the job done. As is often the case in the DIY world, the best tool is the one tailored to the task, and the craftsman. We want to hear from you. What's your go-to tool and why? Share your experiences in the comments below. There's always more to learn, and hearing from fellow dyers like you adds richness to our community knowledge. If you're still buzzing with curiosity about tools, we've got plenty more comparisons on the way. Don't miss them. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more hands-on tips, tool showdowns, and DIY inspiration. Happy building, everyone!